This is my 2010 Eastern Trail Digger. I've got the Aaron Ross keyboard grips, just a standard stock lever, and a standard stock cable, straight cable. I've got exposure rim with the orange hub, orange spokes, and it's just a standard exposure sealed front hub. Some wicked Cobra valve caps, just the Maxi M treads on the front and back. Back I've got the Shadow Conspiracy purple with the Salt sealed 9-inch cassette, Odyssey peg on the back, and a Mongoose on the front, standard Eastern cranks and standard Eastern plastic pedals, which will be changed. Really crappy plastic seat, standard Eastern one. Just a standard looking, crappy looking headset. We the People hangers, not sure the size. Pink sprocket and a blue half-link chain. Doesn't sound too bad. And that's my bike.